Week 2. I'm a Belizean training for a March 1st marathon in an Iowa winter. And if you ever felt the cold slap your soul when you stepped outside, welcome to my life.
So, let's talk about discipline, doubt, and why the cold ain't stronger than purpose. This week just hit different. Week 1 was hype. Week 2 was just straight reality checks. The miles felt longer and heavier. The wind just was slapping me in the face and just straight wind burn. And every run feel like it forced a decision, which was comfort over commitment. You see, because back in Belize, we deal with heat, right? We deal with heat all the time. I know how to deal with heat. But here, you deal with ice, you deal with windburn, and sometimes you just deal with finding the courage to step out the damn door.
Here's what week 2 looked like. Easy run, strength day, tempo run, long run. I'm pretty sure I got an extra easy run in there somewhere.
For this prep, I'm following Hal Higdon's training philosophy, which is consistency over hero workouts. The mileage is consistently building and the pace is controlled, right? Because the goal isn't to impress anybody. The goal is to arrive healthy. My left knee history, watching it. My right ankle, strengthening it daily. 3 to 4 runs per week, and everything has a purpose. I won't sugarcoat it. This week I had a run where I almost turned back. The cold hit so hard it felt personal. You ever feel your motivation just evaporate? But this is where the mindset shifts. You see, I'm not training for perfect days. I'm training for March 1st, when everything inside of me will be screaming to quit. I won't. When the hype is gone, habits take over. So here's the mindset that I leaned on this week. If the environment is louder than your purpose, strengthen your purpose. Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for the weather. Build the discipline that makes you dangerous. After 2 weeks, here's what's real. My pace is improving, my lungs are adjusting, and my confidence is building, not because it's easy, but because I show up every single run. If you're watching this, you're a part of the journey now. Drop a comment and let me know where you're training. Whether it's in the heat, in the cold, indoors, doesn't matter. And if you're running your own race, then welcome to the grind. Week 2, done. Reality checks, had. We'll see you in week 3.